Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 2424, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 2424? What's the symbolism of 2424? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 2424 mean for love? What does 2424 mean for twin flames? What does 2424 for manifestation? How does angel number 2424 affect finances? What does 2424 mean for former relationships? How does 2424 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 2424? What are the weaknesses of angel number 2424? What's the meaning of angel number 2424? Angel number 2424 represents balance, stability, and building a solid foundation for the future. It emphasizes patience, discipline, and the importance of long-term planning. The number 2 relates to relationships, cooperation, and harmony, while the number 4 stands for hard work, determination, and structure. Seeing 2424 is a message from your angels to stay focused and steady in your efforts, as your persistence will lead to success. It also serves as reassurance that you're on the right path, even if progress seems slow. Trust that your commitment and inner strength are guiding you toward lasting growth and personal fulfillment. What's the symbolism of angel number 2424? Symbolically, angel number 2424 blends the energies of duality and foundation. The repeated 2s symbolize balance, faith, and interpersonal connection, while the 4s stand for grounding energy, practicality, and endurance. This number is often seen as a sign to remain calm, focused, and methodical in pursuit of goals. It's a reminder to cultivate inner peace, nurture meaningful relationships, and create structure in your life. The symbolism of 2424 also speaks to divine timing, encouraging you to trust the process, knowing that consistent effort will yield result. It's a powerful reminder of the strength found in patience, discipline, and spiritual harmony. What is the angel number 2424 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 2424 emphasizes alignment through discipline, trust, and persistence. It encourages a steady, grounded approach to spiritual development. While the number 2 resonates with intuition and soul partnerships, number 4 connects with your life mission and the work needed to fulfill it. Spiritually, this number tells you to stay faithful to your purpose, even if challenges arise. It reflects divine guidance, helping you build a solid spiritual path. Meditation, routine, and inner balance are essential tools right now. Your angels are reminding you that spiritual growth doesn't always happen quickly. It often requires a consistent and centered heart. What does the angel number 2424 mean for love? In love, angel number 2424 is a call to build relationships on trust, stability, and emotional support. It signals the importance of mutual respect and long-term commitment. If you're in a relationship, this number suggests working together to strengthen your bond through consistency and open communication. If single, it may indicate that love will come through steady, meaningful connections rather than impulsive passion. 2424 encourages patience in matters of the heart, as real love takes time to grow. It's a sign to seek balance and peace in romantic life and to avoid rushing or forcing emotional decisions. What does angel number 2424 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 2424 represents a stage of grounded development and inner alignment. It suggests that both individuals are being guided to build emotional maturity and spiritual stability before full union can occur. This number often appears when twin flames are learning the importance of patience, boundaries, and purposeful growth. The repetition of 2 and 4 emphasizes balance, divine timing, and dedication to the journey rather than the outcome. Whether in union or separation, 2424 encourages both souls to remain focused on healing and harmony within themselves, which will naturally align and strengthen the twin flame bond. What does angel number 2424 for manifestation? Angel number 2424 is a powerful sign for manifestation through discipline and strategic action. While it confirms that your dreams are within reach, it reminds you that consistent effort and planning are necessary to bring them to life. Number 2 relates to intention and alignment, while number 4 represents the foundation and structure required for successful manifestation. The message here is to stay focused, create realistic goals, and trust that your persistence will pay off. Positive thoughts must be followed by practical steps. Your angels encourage faith in the process, urging you to build your dreams one solid step at a time. How does angel number 2424 affect finances? Financially, angel number 2424 suggests stability through discipline and smart planning. It's a reminder that financial growth requires structure, budgeting, and steady effort. The presence of number 4 emphasizes the need for financial responsibility and hard work, while number 2 encourages balance, perhaps through partnerships, shared goals, or support systems. This number can signal a time to lay the groundwork for long-term wealth rather than seeking quick fixes. Your angels advise caution and consistency, urging you to build a secure future. Financial success is likely if you remain patient, organized, and trust that your hard work will bear fruit. What does angel number 2424 mean for former relationships? Angel number 2424, when related to former relationships, suggests healing through clarity, acceptance, and emotional growth. It invites you to reflect on past partnerships with honesty and grace, learning the lessons they offered without carrying emotional baggage. The number encourages you to release resentment or confusion and focus on building emotional stability moving forward. If reconciliation is on your mind, this number reminds you that any renewed relationship must be rebuilt on trust and structure. Whether reconnecting or letting go, 2424 emphasizes maturity, balance, and the importance of making choices that support your long-term emotional well-being. How does angel number 2424 guide your work life? In your career, angel number 2424 encourages structure, reliability, and long-term vision. It's a sign to stay committed to your goals and trust the process, even when progress feels slow. This number supports building a solid foundation in your work life, whether through steady career advancement, learning new skills, or creating a professional routine. Collaboration, 2, and discipline, 4, are key to success under this energy. If you've been uncertain, 2424 reassures you that staying grounded and methodical will lead to achievement. Trust your instincts, plan wisely, and stay focused. Your consistency is being divinely supported and recognized. What are the strengths of angel number 2424? The strengths of angel number 2424 include determination, balance, patience, and dependability. This number inspires individuals to stay the course and build a meaningful life through consistent action and spiritual alignment. It brings clarity in relationships, discipline in goals, and a strong inner foundation. People aligned with this number often show great responsibility and emotional intelligence. Their ability to remain calm and strategic helps them achieve lasting success. 2424's energy promotes harmony in both personal and professional life. Its greatest strength is helping you stay grounded in purpose while trusting the divine timing behind every step of your journey. What are the weaknesses of angel number 2424? The weaknesses of angel number 2424 can include rigidity, overcautiousness, and resistance to change. While it encourages structure, too much focus on stability can lead to fear of risk or missed opportunities. People influenced by this number may struggle with perfectionism or become overly self-critical if results take time. There's also a tendency to avoid emotional vulnerability or spontaneity in favor of control. In relationships, this can manifest as emotional distance or difficulty adapting to unexpected changes. To overcome these weaknesses, 2424 encourages flexibility, openness to new perspectives, and trusting that not all progress follows a perfect, planned path.